In this video, we'll show you how to replace your engine splash shield on a Honda Pilot. This is located under the vehicle and in front of the engine. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're going to come onto the vehicle here, and we have a series of 10mm bolts that we're going to remove. We have two Phillips head screws on either side of the engine splash shield. This is towards the back. We'll just remove those with a number 3 Phillips. We'll do the same on the other side. And we have two clips on either side of the splash shield. One in the middle and one towards the front. I'm using a clip tool, but you can certainly use a flathead screwdriver. And with that removed, we can remove our splash shield. We can install our engine splash shield. Get your center plastic clip started. And that'll hold your shield up while you get everything else in line. You can install each of the plastic clips on the front portion of the lip, and same on the other side. You can start installing the rest of our 10mm hardware. It's good to get a lot of this started in before you start tightening anything down. We have our two longer 10mm bolts that go on either side of the splash shield. Now we can install our two Phillips head bolts on either side of the splash shield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.